Language arts today. Today we are going to be learning about using leads, which are something we use to grab the reader's attention. This is related to standard W8.3, which is writing narratives. Take 1 minute to look at these 5 outlines and see what you are noticing about these possible structures for leads and introductions. Which one would you use? What do they all have in common? Write down your ideas and then share it out with your partner. As you look at these examples of outlines for potential leads, you will see that all of them draw the reader in using a fact, statistic, quote, or anecdote. They provide background information so the reader understands the topic and your point of view, and it introduces a story that needs to be told. Let's look at the example lead that I wrote and see what's working in it. If we look at the example that I wrote, in the beginning I use an anecdote. Again, an anecdote helps our reader to understand and relate through sharing a story about the topic. After that, I use a fact to draw my reader in. The fact that I use is, again, approximately 12% of all 10th grade students in the state of Washington are considered obese, according to the Department of Washington of Health. I then provide background information explaining why it's a problem that 12% of all 10th graders in the state of Washington are overweight. So, due to this pandemic, in 2017, a new set of regulations around the quality and healthiness of food was introduced into the Highline School District. These guidelines determine the types of food students are able to have at lunch, what teachers can provide as snacks during activities, and field trip lunches. Upon more closely reviewing these guidelines, there is speculation around how beneficial they are to students' health. I then make an allusion, which again is helping to draw that reader in. So I say, are these guidelines like Thor from the Avengers, righteously fighting to uphold student health and well-being? Or are they like Loki, enigmatic, unclear motivation, and out there to fulfill personal gain instead of benefiting students?